Hey, welcome back to another video, another episode of
Open It Up With Me Review
with your main host, Kate. That's right. And today we will be talking about this
Olympus WSA53.
This is a great portable gadget that you guys can take anywhere and hook up to anything, whether you have a camera, whether you have a phone, an iPad, computer, anything. This will be great. You know why? Because it has its own USB that you can just take it up and plug it. It's amazing. It has 8 gig of memory for you to record anything you need to record. It has a simple mode and also an intelligent auto mode, which make it so easy for you guys who are beginner, and me too. This is my first time using this Olympus WSA53. It's great, you know, you can record whether you are in a meeting, because it has 7 different stages that you can just record at once. Also, it has noise canceling that lets you just direct the sound where you want to take it and completely take off everything. Guys, this is such a great gadget. So you guys want to open it up? Let's just open it up right now.
Toco la guitarra y pienso en ti, solo en ti. Me acuerdo el día en que te vi. Hey baby, llévame contigo, contigo. Llévame a la mar, llévame contigo, contigo. No me hagas esperar, llévame contigo, contigo. Llévame a la mar, llévame contigo, contigo. No me hagas esperar. Desesperado, desesperado. Yo soy tuyo desde que te vi, ilusionado, enamorado. Yo sé lo que tú piensas de mí. No soy adivino, no sé del destino, pero contigo me quiero quedar. Que en la placita bailemos pegado mientras la luna esté enfrente al mar. Llévame contigo, contigo. Llévame a la mar, llévame contigo. 1, 2 probando, 1, 2 probando, 1, 2 probando. Gracias por visitar Open It Up With Me Review. Thanks for all of you guys who have watched Open It Up With Me Review. This is your main host, Kate. Thank you so much for staying and watching the whole video. Please leave your comment and I'll soon reply if you have any question. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for having me on your list. And thank you so much for spending this time watching this great review that I'm making for you guys. Thank you so much and stay tuned for more.